The secret of change is to focus all of your energy on not fighting the old, but on building the now. That's Socrates for you. Out of curiosity, what room do you plan on rearranging first? Go ahead and leave that in the description below. I'm curious and I want to get this conversation started. So let's dive right in. So you're wanting to figure out how to rearrange any room. What I'm going to share with you is going to be able to be applied to literally any room you decide you want to change up. You're going to want to visualize what you want the area to look like first. This will help you keep the end in mind so you can stay focused and motivated to reach that goal. You're also going to want to squat up with your family or friend. Now, if it's a family member or a friend, you can just have them come over and help, and then you reciprocate the favor. So they're going to be your eyes, your ears, your muscle to help you figure out what's going to work best for what you're trying to achieve and that vision that you have. Now you need to pause the brakes for a second and look at the area and see if there's anything you need to declutter. Declutter, declutter, declutter. Get that area clean, a slate. Go ahead and dust and vacuum those areas while you're moving the furniture around so that you have a clean slate to start with. That visualization that you have is this close to being obtained. So as you move furniture around, continue to experiment until you are satisfied with the end goal. Remember when I said keep the end in mind? This is why visualization is so important. It helps you to see, bring it to life, get tuned in, get pumped up, get your music going, and start taking action. It's the most critical thing of all. After you've experimented enough and you're satisfied, go ahead and sit back, relax, and enjoy your new space. I hope you got a lot of value out of this video. And if you did, go ahead and like and share it with someone who can definitely get motivated to rearrange any room today and not tomorrow. So if you haven't already, check out my next video. You'll continue to see videos like this every Sunday. It's going to help benefit you to take your cleaning to the next level so you can start spending more time doing the things that matter most to you. In the meantime, stay blessed, not stressed. Take care.